Hi, how's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, we're just out here building some new boxes and doing some bottom boards. We got Cedar ones going. Nice little, just 5-frame new boxes here. And then some Cedar bottom boards and tops. We're going to show you how, we make these. When people order nukes from us, they actually get a wood box. We do not do the cardboard or the plastic or anything. And they have the option of either doing wood bottoms or a PVC bottom. And we do them basically the exact same way. This customer wanted all wood. And what we use for wood though is cedar. It's just 3/4 inch cedar, and then we cut it to size and stuff. One side is nice, it's smooth, and then the other side is rough. It's not finished yet. We put that rough side up into the hive. That way this creates a whole bunch of propolis for the bees to do. And if you have followed along any time with us, you know how I do with propolis. I love that stuff. It is extremely good. And then the same thing with just these right here. We just one is a rough side, and then 2 parts are nice and finished. We glue a rough side down, and then we put the rough side in, facing towards it and stuff. We like to use a lot of glue. My glue that I use is Type Bond 3. It's just a nice glue and everything. We think it's the best. And then I usually do this with a staple gun or nail gun, but I only did 3 of them, so we just got hammer and nail today. But you just want to put it in, just get them nailed down. Pretty easy stuff. Don't be scared of the glue. The glue is what holds it and stuff. So, we're just using simple little nails, which you might assemble a frame with if you use those nails. And just the same thing with this right here. These are the nails that we're doing. Just finishing nails 1.5 inch. Come in here, make sure everything lines up. A lot of glue right here in the middle. Put them together, and then with the clamp, we go in and just clamp it up. Simple little work table. And I got all these little pieces of wood cut, but I didn't separate them, so I don't know what goes where, That's the way it goes. And again, just a rough cut. The rough cut side I put down on the ground, and then the rough inside the hive, again for propolis. And I think that the rough cut just holds a little better. I don't know, I'm not a master woodworker or anything, but to me it kind of seems like you would sand it up a little bit, so rough it up and glue just adheres better. And we put 4 of them in here, one in the corners, and then right along that seam right here, just to give it a little bit more support. And we undo this clamp, flip it over, put a board underneath this side that does not have the support yet, and then we come in here with our feet. I just like to put a little feed on them. There's Miss Lexi. And there you have it, just a nice little cedar bottom board, real easy to do. Fits the nuke boxes really well. Again, these are from Man Lake. This is where we pick these up and put the last one together. We just have a whole bunch of them ready to go at any given time. We just keep them unassembled. Lexi's helping hold them right quick. By the way, happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. It's Father's Day today. Hope you all enjoy everything. Have a great Father's Day. It rained a lot this morning. On these new boxes, I like to clamp them up here. Get them squeezed in there real good. All right, you can let go. Wipe off the glue. And just a couple of nails. Again, I like to put two in the top, one right here in the where the frame is. And the one just a little bit down the ways. One right in the middle. And one down here. And there we go, that box is done. If you want to do your ventilation holes, you can do that as well. You can drill them here in the back to give some airflow. You can cut a strip out here, use number 8 hardware cloth, you know, to get airflow if you like your screen bottom type thing. There's just a simple little board for your bottoms and your tops. Again, it can double exactly like a top on your nuke. You can just have them run them just like that. You drill a hole right here, put a jug right here or a mason jar right here, feed them from the top. That's how I like to feed nukes, and I think they do better that way, but there you go. All right, y'all be keeping a drill out there, and again, enjoy your Father's Day to all the fathers. Happy Father's Day, and we will catch you on the next one. See ya.